District ya Rubirizi ni emwe omu district ez'ebyobulambuzi omu ihanga Uganda. Obahati wayiko mu district ya Rubirizi norebera ebyokutangaza byonka bwanyuma y'okusanga ngo biine enyanza eziri kwingana 32 hamwe na n'ebishara biri kwingana 30 ekikugiita zona zikaba enyanza 52. Mu district egi harimu na Queen Elizabeth National Park kandi otekemu n'enyanza hamwe na forest ezikumanya nka Kaswa Kitomi hamwe na Imaramagambo ninga Sikalinzu ebyona nibigiita ebyobulambuzi omu district egi. Aba Wanderlust Nature Expo Festival batiraho enteekateeka zo kurambura district ya Rubirizi kugira ngo abantu babase kubona bageno miso no kurekana bashashura kandi bageno miso na no kurambura district egi. Nkigambo mu district harimu ebintu bingi emigera nyamwingi shara ebibira kandi nakusinga munonga enyanza ya Rutoto eriyo mu kishani kya map ya Africa ogesero na n'ekisara kya Champeho ekiriyo mu map ya Africa byona nibane bitangaza. Abantu bagira ngo ekiri kintu bakore kintu ekino kwenda kwereka ihanga Uganda hamwe na n'ensi yona Rubirizi kwine ebintu birungi hamwe na ebyobulambuzi eby'omutano. Honorable Nicholas Ogunekansara w'Eminyeto nagira ngo ekine cy'omutano kusanga ngo obahati abantu binekona bageno miso na no kwezumbira omukurambura district ya Rubirizi nkakamwe ko muringo gumwe oguru koreka okusupportinga ebyobulambuzi hamwe na n'ebyobuhangwa. Aba bakwasira umuhanda bayika omuri cyambara niko kora cleaning ninga se by'obuyonzo okwereka ngo abantu binekona bageno miso na no kunda ebyobuhangwa. Manager wa Deluxe nagira ngo ebiro 16 oku 12 nagira ngo soka kiri cyo mutano munonga bwanyuma yo kugira ngo biine ebyo buraro burungi na okurekana biine customer care nibakwana bageno miso no kurebera abantu abona abarize.
Thank you. First and foremost, in this activity or this festival, we shall look at very many things. Because it helps both the side. It is a win-win side. It is a win-win which goes to the industry itself. Because for us, we have a hospitality, being a hotel, and we gain a lot. And more so, the community will also gain because this brings people from different directions. And when they come here, they have to gain a lot. But away from that, there are very many activities that are going to take place in this festival. A few of those there is nature walk. We shall do some get together as people in the industry and outside the industry, and more so it is going to guide us and know the interesting places as far as the hospitality in general is concerned. Some of these places are some good sites around the region and very attracting things and so on.
Twagambona n'omwe ow'ebyobulambuzi akurambuza abantu abakwabizire omu district ya Rubirizi na kusinga munonga yana barambuza ekikwatagene na n'enyanza nagira mu festival ejine kugeno miso no kureka ngo nekora cyangwa mu district ya Rubirizi obahati ngo na munonga atukwatagene n'omuntu wa hansi ogu yayongera kuba nasaba abantu ababurizo ngo bareke kubona basisa ebyo bahangwa nkenyanza ezi aho kubanza zirabeno geno miso no kureta abantu abakubana barambura
sima munonga abantu mwena kwiza kusupporting iki kintu nikiza kureta sente mu Rubirizi abayingi mbaza kuguza amahoteli ngaza kufuna bukuraramu n'abantu betu nubaza kusemero asigara nimba sima mwe bari kwiza kugira ngo mwarebe byo guhangwa byeto ebiriyo mbigenda kufa bya bitatiyambira abantu bakamanya ngo bino mugaso abarambuze mbeza kusigaho sente abantu bafunemu ombire bo kuyingebe bayingewe miti eze bizuma emiyempe na fene n'ebindi ebikuyamba ebikuribo abaguzi kandi bakaguma birizeze nyanza
ni expecting kugira ngo abantu ababurije bakora ebintu bakoyese ebintu byite by'emikono bibija kubutuguza nite tubuguza abantu abakwetaga omuntu we nakutereza ntumuha sente nabagenda za gure kinte cya kwetaga kimayisa ngo harimu saturation of income from the person who makes it nito kubuguza the middleman and then the person who consumes. Chimaisa ngo harimu chain of benefit.
bwanyuma yaba nuko kutungaho ikiganiro ari warujojo no batungira ikiganiro okugira umiso no kandi baganiro n'abantu baburijo kana no kuboreka nku ebyo burambuzi bine omugasho munonga omu district age ya Rubirizi. Ingrid nagira ngo ikintu cyakwa kiri kirunje munonga kana no kureka ngo abantu bine kwana bagena umiso no kumanya ngo Rubirizi district enebyo burambuzi kandi cyo burambuzi nicyo cyo bugiga.
It means Wanderlust, it means the urge to travel, the urge to move. That's why we chose it to be our brand, Wanderlust. The urge, the desire, that thing that pushes you, go outside there and, immerse yourself in nature. So Wanderlust, it should be part of you by the time we live here. It's Wanderlust, Nature Expedition Festival. The primary objective for this festival or for this entire project is to create a platform for individuals to connect with nature, deepen their understanding of the environment, and foster a sense of community among like-minded explorers. That's the main objective for this Wanderlust Nature Expedition Festival.
So you may think that the only beautiful natural resources are in your area, but we want to also show you that in Rubirizi we have a lot of resources that can help you adventure. We are looking at education and community building, because at the end of the day it is not only the team that we have here that is going to enjoy the festival. We need many people from different communities. For example, what we did today. Personally, I come from Nyakasharu, but we had community engagement in Chambura. So we are building communities. We are bringing togetherness. We are looking at networking. I'll give an example from the different media houses that we have here. It is networking. Even on that day, we are looking at people coming from Mbarara, Ishaka, Kasese, Kampala, even outside Uganda.
Kugira ngo tongere turukumi takerio okwetega kuteke mituzitekeho kandi kandi tucinchine incidences zamani kugira ngo abantu hatenebereza amataka government amataka abagehereza ngaga byo mikono mirungi konka encouraginga kugira ngo batekeho ebyo bahangwa. Let's say one developing umwanya gwa government wadatire hoteli watabire hemiti ogoreke ko guri
umuri wa Kera Media News Center icyo kwa cyo cyamane kandi mutayi wanje arunako ro ibiro 16 nitwe Nkakera management zokaturuho utakaburaho.